Hey everyone, if you're here looking for a way to fix your DNS server not responding on Windows 11, you have come to the right place. Here in this short video, I will provide you the easiest solution you can apply to fix your DNS server. Just make sure to follow the guidelines step by step to get the proper results, so let's get started. First, what you have to do is click the search bar on your window and search network connections. When it shows here, open it up and look for your Wi-Fi adapter. You can see my Wi-Fi adapter here, so I'll just right click on it. Here I will select properties. Now we need to select Internet Protocol version 4 right here and then go to properties. From here you have to enter the preferred DNS server, which is 1.1.1.1. And for the alternative DNS server, select 1.0.0.1. So this is a cloud DNS and a very great one at that. So it'll make your internet process faster. Once you're done, click OK and close this window. Now go to the Windows search bar and type CMD or command prompt. Here, right click on it and select Run as Administrator and say yes to continue. In here, type in ipconfig /flushdns and then press enter. Now type exit and press enter to close the command prompt. All that is left to do is restart your device and your problem will be solved. So here's the solution you can follow to fix your DNS server not responding on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.